In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new folder on the Scenarios page. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized place to group related scenarios so you can find what you need faster and keep your workspace tidy. First, make sure you're signed in and working in the correct workspace or project, especially if your account has access to multiple areas. Permissions can vary, so if you don't see the options I mention, you might need access from an admin. Start by heading to the Scenarios page. You'll usually find it in the main navigation, either on the left sidebar or along the top. Look for the label, Scenarios, and select it. Once you're there, take a quick moment to confirm you're in the right view. If there are filters or folders already visible, that's okay. You just want to be on the page that lists your scenarios so the folder tools are available. Next, look for the option to add a new folder. This is typically shown as a button labeled plus new folder, sometimes accompanied by a small folder icon or a plus symbol. It's commonly positioned near the top of the page, often on the right side. Click that button to begin creating your folder. If the button appears grayed out, double check that you're on the Scenarios page and that you have the permissions needed to create folders. You'll now see a field where you can enter your folder name. Choose a clear, descriptive name that helps you and your team understand what belongs inside. Good names are concise but specific, like Q3 Marketing Tests or API Error Handling Demos. Consider a simple naming convention you can reuse, such as including a date or team tag. Avoid special characters that some systems don't accept, and don't include sensitive information like personal data or internal IDs in the folder name. With your name entered, review it for typos and clarity. If your organization has standards for naming, follow those here. This small step makes a big difference when your list of folders grows. Finally, click Create to confirm. The new folder should appear immediately in your Scenarios view. If you don't see it, try clearing any active filters or refreshing the page. At this point, your folder is ready to use, and you can start organizing your scenarios inside it whenever you're ready. That's it, simple, fast, and effective. You've gone to the Scenarios page, clicked the plus new folder button, entered a helpful name, and clicked Create. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.